Did you know that 7-Eleven, which now has over 84,000 branches worldwide, started by simply selling ice? And more importantly, what can we learn from this so we can grow and succeed? Hi there, this is Jay, your wealth coach. Today, we're going to talk about one of the simplest yet most powerful business models in the world, a story that started from selling ice and turned into a trillion-dollar business. Maybe the reason your income or business hasn't grown yet is because you haven't clearly seen what people truly need. Now think about this. A store that's open almost 24/7. It has food, bill payments, coffee, remittance, even an ATM. So what are they really selling? There are many small stores that offer cheaper products. But why do people still go to them? Because they're not just selling products. Their main product is something called convenience. That's why it's called a convenience store. Even if prices are higher, people still choose it. And now it's worth trillions, almost equivalent to the annual budget of a country. But they didn't start with big capital. So what's the real secret of 7-Eleven? And how can you apply it to your own business? Let's start. The idea wasn't genius. It wasn't complicated. It all began with one simple question. What do people really need? That's where they started, and that's where they exploded. They sold convenience. And you can apply that in your business too. Let me give you the background. It started in 1927 in Texas, USA. An employee of the Southland Ice Company named John Jefferson Green was tasked to sell ice. But he noticed something. While people were buying ice, they kept asking, "Do you have milk, eggs, bread?" That's when it hit him. If people already need these things, why not sell them together? He didn't wait. He didn't hesitate. He observed and took action. His boss supported him, and that's when the concept of the convenience store was born. Later on, innovations kept coming. One example, the famous Slurpee. It was accidentally discovered in 1966 by Omar Nedlick, who noticed that partially frozen soft drinks created a unique texture. Instead of ignoring it, he turned it into an idea. And that's how the Slurpee was born. Today, billions of cups are sold worldwide. One accident turned into one of the most iconic products of 7-Eleven. That's the lesson. Innovation doesn't always come from invention. Sometimes it comes from observation. Then came franchising. Under the leadership of Toshifumi Suzuki, the system was improved using data logistics and frequent small deliveries. In the US, they used large warehouses. In Japan, they adapted. Smaller storage, fresher products, less waste, higher profit. They didn't copy. They improved. And even though competitors like Circle K and Family Mart exist, 7-Eleven remains number one. Why? Because they know how to adapt to culture, to products, and to the needs of every market. So what can we learn? 1. Know your target market. 2. Understand what your market truly wants. 3. Follow trends and move fast. Waiting for the perfect idea will only slow you down. Another key lesson, system is bigger than capital. 7-Eleven didn't grow because of money. They grew because of their system. They improved their franchise model. They standardized operations. They mastered logistics. And today, you must also adapt. Ask yourself, what do you need to change in your business? Do you need automation, a better system, or to learn how to use modern tools like AI? Because success today belongs to those who can observe, build systems, and adapt fast. Now let me ask you, what could happen to your business if you truly master adaptation, observation, and innovation? If you want more videos that will help you grow your income, improve your mindset, and build a smarter financial life, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell, because here we don't just talk about money. We build the habits, strategies, and mindset to achieve lasting wealth. Remember this, your future will not change unless you start changing today. So take that first step. Subscribe now, because your journey to financial success starts here.